In the morning 9 a.m., National Weather Service has spotted large severe thunderstorm with hail size of baseballs heading towards Redfield County, and Hatton-Midfield County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Storms capable of violent tornadoes and large hailstorms.
Spot and cover your head with your hands.